Hello and welcome to another update video on Link. Yeah, on the Link chart, we're currently still tracking a potential early third wave to the upside. Yeah, so we might be in the early stages of a third wave to the upside, but obviously the volume is missing. Okay, the follow through at the moment is missing to the upside. We're basically just moving in a range still. Yeah, but I wanted to start on the larger time frame so everybody gets a good idea of where we actually stand at the moment. We do need some upside follow through, absolutely, from here, and I will share with you on the smaller time frame what the relevant support levels are that now have to hold to keep the upside momentum alive. Here on the daily time frame for Link, we're tracking potentially here a third wave to the upside, which should in itself be a 5-wave move. So it should in fact unfold like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're waiting to see if we can form a proper 5-wave move up in wave 1. We might have a 5-wave move, but it's very, very small. So we might only have formed wave 1 of 1. But we will take a look at that on the smaller time frame. If we get that follow through to the upside that we want to see, then a break above $17.93 would confirm that further. And then if we also get a break above $23.14, that would confirm that even further and would unlock prices in the region of $47 plus. So that is what we're tracking at the moment here on the larger time frame. Important is to understand that a break below the April low will lead to invalidation of the pattern, because then we are falling back into the larger time frame pattern, into the larger degree pattern, and we could fall back to $8.90 or even $6.90. Let us take a look at the smaller time frame now for Link. And you might recall it from previous videos that I highlighted to you. We might already have 5 waves up complete from the 22nd of June low. So that allows us to interpret the move to the upside as 5-wave move in wave 1. Okay, whether this is the wave 1 of the larger degree third wave or just the wave 1 of a wave 1, not so important at the moment. What is really important on this smaller time frame is if the bulls can hold a higher low now in the next pullback. Because in one scenario, if this 5-wave move completed on the 29th of June at around $13.85, then we're now in a wave 2. Or rather, the wave 2 completed and this was another 1-2 setup. But it's important to understand that in a pullback, we must not break below the low of a wave 2 anymore. So this is really an invalidation point. This swing low from the 1st of July, 2nd of July, that formed around $12.70. Now this is important because that's an invalidation point. And if we break below it, it opens the door to a larger correction into this larger support box, which is defined between $11.50 and $12.67. So again, I don't necessarily find the yellow scenario very likely given how deep we have already retraced from the Thursday high, but it's possible still. Now, that takes me to the blue scenario, which I think looks a bit more likely. In this scenario, we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. All of this was wave 4. This was wave 5. Looks a little bit like the V-chain chart. And then we have now seen the A wave down. This would be a B wave up and a C wave down. And if this is completed like this scenario, then we should not break below $11.50. So basically what it means, any break below $11.50 will make the bullish scenario, whether in the yellow scenario or in the blue scenario, less likely. And it means the bulls are losing control. The bears will then be back and we can start to shift the focus to $8.90 or even $6.90. Yeah, that's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.